Hi, welcome back to Engineering Drawing. I am your Dr. Vasu. Hope you are enjoying the lectures on engineering drawing and other topics. Now we are going to see the hyperbola by other methods. If you want to learn this and many more interesting topics, please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. Okay, let us see the construction of hyperbola. So here suppose you are given two lines at a and perpendicularly, and you are given a point on the curve at some distance from these lines. So the distance is 40 mm from AB, right? And from AC also at some distance, say 30 mm. So you have a point here, right? Point, the curve is passing through this point here, this intersection point. Now we want to construct the hyperbola. Now we do one thing. We take on DE, we take a point here, call it as 1. Join A with 1, right? This intersects this FG line at one point called 1 dash, right? At this point, you draw a horizontal line, and at 1, you draw a vertical. These two will intersect here at some point here. Similarly, you take many points on DE, call it as 2, corresponding to this point, join A with 2, that intersects here at some point, join horizontal line here, right? And vertical line here through 2, we get another intersection point. Likewise 3, join A3, horizontal line, vertical line, 4, A4 is joined. From here a horizontal line, a vertical line here, 5, join A5, horizontal line and vertical line, 6, A6, horizontal and vertical, 7, A7 join. Likewise, you get a number of points here, all these points on the curve. These are on the right side. Now let's take the points on the left side also. Say this is 8. Join A8 and extend up to this line, vertical line. Okay, like this. At this point, you draw a horizontal, and here at 8, draw a vertical. These two will intersect here. Another point 9 here. Join A9 and extend this up to this vertical line. Up to this vertical line. Draw a vertical here, a horizontal here. You get another point. Likewise 10. Join A10, right? And extend this up to this line. Draw a vertical here at 10, a horizontal here. Likewise, we get a number of points. 11. All these points are on the curve. Join all these points by a smooth freehand curve like this. We get a open curve here called hyperbola. If you remember this, and if you recollect your physics principles, this is nothing but your PV diagram. Okay, the PV diagram is nothing but your hyperbola. So like this, we draw a hyperbola like this. Next, suppose you are given two lines at an angle, right? At some angle, 80 or 75, something like. And similarly, these points are given here. If one point on the curve is given at some distance, this is the distance here, and this is the distance from AC, right? So here is the point on the curve. Now I want to draw the curve hyperbola passing through this point. Follow the same procedure, no difference at all. Take number of points here on DE line at some convenient distances, need not be even equidistant. So take point 1, right? Join A1, you get 1 dash, draw horizontal line at 1 dash and vertical at 1, right? 2 here, you get 2 dash, right? Horizontal at 2 dash, vertical at 2, 3 here, right? A3 is joined, you get 3 dash, a draw horizontal, a vertical, right? Similarly, 4, horizontal and vertical, right? Not vertical actually here. These are parallel to this AC line, right? Not this. This is not the vertical. This is actually parallel to AC. Next, you take another point on the left side also. So here we have taken one point and join it with one with A and extend this up to this GF line, right? Now, a line parallel to AC is drawn here and a horizontal is drawn here. Likewise, another point, extend this horizontal here, parallel here, right? One more horizontal here and parallel line parallel to AC here. These two intersect here. Likewise, you get a number of points like this. All these points are on the curve. Okay, join all the points by a smooth freehand curve, you get a hyperbola. So like this, we construct the hyperbola. In the next video, we are going to see the cycloids. So with this, the conic sections are over. Hope you had understood this topic. If you have any queries or any suggestions, please do comment and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.